Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you the Sealong battery-powered pruning shears. This is a professional electric garden shears with LCD display and brushless motors. We have two additionally 2000 mAh 21-volt batteries. Maximum 40mm cutting diameter are possible, with a safety switch for branched and drops. 600 watt, baby. Goodbye, hand scissors. This year is 8 times faster gardening. With the Sealong electric secateurs, we can create in 1 hour what other needs 8 hours for. For garden professionals, this means up to 8 times more earnings and less physical. And for older or weaker men and women, the cutting branches and the shrubs is finally easy to use. And we have everything pruning with 2 modes. This cordless pruning shears with the maximum cutting diameter is 40mm, so it differs from any other pruning shears on the market. We can switch between 25mm fine cut for roses and hydrangeas and 40mm power cut. This for apple and oaks. For the best results too. Thanks to the 2 tons of 2000 mAh batteries, which can make in 6 up to 8 hours of runtime, is it for shrubs, hedges, flowers, and transformed gardening. We have here an improved SK5 blades and a powerful brushless motor. The battery garden shears, state-of-the-art variant of the SK5 high carbon steel blades, vacuum hardened, 30% more sharpness and higher wear resistance and 40% less cutting resistance. Combined with a 600 watt brushless motor, these 3 shears cut 60% smoother than others and 3 times more durable than conventional blades, and are energy efficient, safe, and spark free. And we have a safety switch and an ergonomic design. These electronic pruning shears have a safety switch and an automatic lock mode. That means 1 minute of inactivity, it will lock automatically. 12-volt protected battery prevents overcharging, short circuit, overheating, unlocking it by the double pressing, and ergonomic in the non-slip handle. This reduced the muscle fatigue by 58% with 4 hours of work, compared to conventional scissors for one-handed operation for left and right-handed. You have an LCD screen. An intelligent display shows the cutting frequency at the top and the battery consumption at the bottom. With the screen, we can easily record our workload while monitoring our battery, of course. Wow, this is an electronic pruning shears, the optimal solution for effortless and time-saving work. With a brushless motor and LCD digital display, the SK7 carbon steel blades, the maximum of 40mm cutting thickness, and 2 high-performance batteries. Easy peasy. First step, assemble the battery. Then we power on. We press and hold the power button for approximately 2 up to 3 seconds. Then safety device. We press and hold the safety lock. And cutting. We press and hold the release button. To unlock it, push 2 times and it will be ready for you. We have here all what we need for a nice gardening job. This all and more is possible with the Sealong battery pruning shears. This is a professional electric garden shears with LCD display and brushless motor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Saturn!